Hello and welcome. Today's topic is the psychology of online attention. Let's begin. Have you ever posted a photo online and found yourself refreshing the app just minutes later, waiting for the likes to roll in? In the digital age, seeking attention online has become a deeply ingrained human behavior. But why do we do it? What is happening inside our brains when we share our lives on social media? To understand this, we have to look at how social media platforms are designed. Every time someone likes your post, leaves a comment, or shares your video, your brain releases a tiny splash of dopamine. Dopamine is a chemical messenger associated with pleasure, reward, and motivation. It is the exact same chemical that makes us feel favorite when we eat our food or win a game. Did you know? Social media developers deliberately use variable reward schedules. This is the same psychological trick used in slot machines to keep us hooked. Because you never know exactly when or how many likes you will get, the urge to check your phone becomes nearly impossible to resist. This leads us to a fascinating question. Does online attention offer genuine validation, or is it just an illusion? For many young adults, posting online is about a fundamental human need: belonging. Historically, humans survived by being part of a tribe. Rejection from the group meant danger. Today, the internet acts as a massive global tribe where we look for signals that we are accepted. When people post about their achievements, their struggles, or even their daily outfits, they are often crying out, "Look at me. Do I belong? Am I doing okay?" However, there is a dark side to this digital pursuit. Psychologists have found a strong link between heavy social media use and increased feelings of loneliness and anxiety. When we base our self worth on the approval of strangers, our confidence becomes incredibly fragile. If a post performs well, we feel like we are on top of the world. But if a post gets ignored, we might feel rejected, invisible, or deeply insecure. Think about your own habits. Have you ever deleted a post just because it didn't get enough likes? What does that say about who we are, trying to please, and the value of external digital applause? Interestingly, the psychological need for attention manifests differently across generations. While younger creators might seek attention to establish an identity, older adults often seek attention to feel relevant. Older adults often seek attention to share views or find a community of like minded individuals. The underlying driver is the same. No matter the age, the driver is exactly the same: the desire to be seen and heard. Ultimately, seeking attention online isn't inherently evil. It is simply a modern amplification of a timeless human desire for connection. The key is balance. We must understand the psychological machinery behind the screen. When we understand the dopamine loops, the tribal acceptance, and the trap of comparison, we can take control. When we understand these, we can start to take control of our digital habits. Open an app with awareness. The next time you open an app to post, pause for a moment and look inward. True validation comes from real world connections we cultivate every single day.